Hello everyone. So today we are going to start the machine learning project presentation. So now you can start your project presentation.
Good evening, sir. Our project is on heart disease prediction using ML. These are my team members, Sailabha, Prasavda, and Chaitanya Kavade. Firstly, let me introduce my project. Our project. Heart disease is a major health problem that causes many deaths in every year. Detecting it earlier, we can help to our patient to reduce the
Excuse me, Krishna. Just a second. So if anyone is not speaking, you can mute yourself. Sahil, you can mute yourself. Okay. Go ahead, Krishna.
Yes, sir. Uh, this project uses machine learning to uh, predict the chances of heart disease like heart attack. Means we give some are health related elements to the software, and it can predict how many percentage is there of heart disease. Uh, Motivation about our project is heart disease cause at least 32% of death in worldwide. It is issued that percent is issued by World Health Organization. Many rural and low resource areas are caused due to lack of their tools, and it is also costly. Machine it this software can help doctors to find how many risky uh, the patient is in. So next slide will continue by Baba. Hello.
Yes,
Hello, sir.
yes, you are
Now,
audible.
now, now I present dataset and feature selection for the model. First one, the dataset is collected from Kellyvent, Hungary, Switzerland, and Long Beach, which is a which is a very collected dataset. Dataset it is the center of that data. It contains 76 attributes, but only the most relevant features are used for the prediction, where it includes key features like as genders, cholesterol level, blood pressure, ECG result, and max heart rate. Next one, the feature selection. Next one is a methodology, like as a process of that model, what we train, like as a step-by-step process. First one is the data collection. Second one is the data preparation, like as handling missing values, like as a find, remove the data duplicate rows. Third one is a model training using machine learning algorithm, like as a random forest, search, regression, and many more. Fourth one is a model evolution, like as accuracy, confusion matrix, precision, recall. And fifth one is integration with web portal, where any user can easily use it.
Already. So in this project, we use model like logistic regression, decision tree, KNN, SVM, random forest. So logistic regression is a simple model that is used for binary classification, like predicting whether a person has a disease or not. Then second one, decision tree. Decision tree is an easy to understand model that split data into branches based on conditions, and the decision tree give 83% accuracy. And KNN stands for K nearest neighbor. So it compares a new data points and existing data points and predict based on similarity. And fourth one is support vector machine. Support vector machine gives 91% accuracy. Support vector machine gives strong result by creating a clear boundary between data classes. And the last one is random forest. In this project, random forest gives the highest accuracy, so it is the best model. Next slide. So result and working. Random forest gives best result. The random forest model gives the best result, accuracy of 93%. This means the model can correctly identify patient at high risk of heart disease with great precision. User interaction through portal. The web application allow user to input the health data and report generate after prediction. The system generates a detailed risk report that highlights the level of risk. This report can be helpful for doctors to take quick medical decision or for patient to take preventive actions early. Prasad, Prasad. The, 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 it means, the to show the result for what can happen.
Okay, so can you show me your prototype and code base?
Yes, sir. Just
Okay, go ahead.
so this is a form that the patient want to fill, like a front end. Here I take my own example. We want to just fill this age and all information given in the table. After giving this age and all information that we're asking for, we get this results. Overall, how many percent there is a chance that we cause the disease. This also shows the which model is the best for the report.
So tell me here one thing, just like whatever parameter you are mentioning, whatever features you are mentioning, so these are the features how I can enter. Just like should I take the go to the hospital and conduct the test for me, or like how I can enter this data?
Also,
So whatever parameter, input parameter you are mentioning, whatever input features, so those are the just like cholesterol level. So how
uh,
I will know what is my cholesterol level?
sir, we can firstly do the blood test. We all get this.
So this particular platform you have developed for a normal user, or you can say hospital guys.
Uh, Normal users for the mostly the who are involved in the fitness, they can predict. Also, we can provide it to the doctors, but it is not that verified.
Okay. And one more thing, tell me, just like you have mentioned, I think 41 features are, how many features was there?
No, sir. There are only 10 to 11 features in pro model training.
Can you go into
In
the
the
PPT? In the PPT, you have mentioned it's around.
no, sir. Yes, sir. There are mentioned 76, but we can take only 10 to 11 features to train that model.
Okay.
Like as feature selection in the feature selection
Okay.
steps.
So can you show me the code base for that? I want to see how you have given the feature importance, and with the help of feature importance you have selected which, what are the features you have selected? I want to see.
This is model for
Okay. Go ahead. Show me feature importance means how. You came to the model building. So go up to means I want to see your data frame first.
data set.
Yes, yes. Not from here. Here only I can see. Go. I have go into top. Yes, yeah, here. Just like here it's mentioned. How many rows are there? Can you go ahead? Go top little bit.
What is that?
Go up. Go up. Go up. Yes, here it's mentioned. How many rows are there? 1025 and how many columns? 14 columns are there.
What?
Okay. But
Yes.
you have
Yes.
mentioned
Yes.
it's a 76 columns. Okay, let leave it. Tell me one more thing. So whatever 14 columns are there, in that which particular column is most important to predict the heart disease? Have
Sir,
you
like as age,
Age.
when you enter that age, there is a limit up to like as age be greater than 20 or 29.
no, no, I am asking which particular feature is most important to predict the heart disease. Just like if you are considering the test, just like feature importance, so you will find out key for the with the help of your features, input features, which particular input feature is highly correlated with output, which have a highest importance.
There is no particular feature like we need age and cholesterol mainly
Okay.
because after 30 the cholesterol level get increases and because of that the heart disease kind of
What are the
feature.
what are the
Age
other feature you have mentioned that those are not important?
importance but not that much
But how you
cholesterol
can
is
understand? You have to implement feature importance technique. So if you are applying feature importance and if you are able to see, and there you can see easily ki which particular feature is highest, means which is highly important. Then after you can conclude yes, this particular feature is important. So on the behalf of that, you are going to take this particular feature only. Means like you are going to become a data scientist. So obviously you can't tell directly. You should have a proof for that. Ki, hey, I have conducted feature importance, I have applied feature importance, and with the help of feature importance I can see these are the features have a high importance. So according to that I can say ki, hey, this particular feature.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Okay, go down now.
Yes.
I want to see your model. Go down.
so this is a KNN model.
Okay, go down.
PSVM support recognition.
Okay.
Decision. This is random for it. Logistic regression. This
Okay, fine. So, random forest is giving highest accuracy, right?
yes sir.
So, what is the show me what is the precision and recall for random forest?
Precision and
Recall. Actually, you have not calculated here.
no, sir.
Okay, fine. So, so why you have selected this particular topic only? Miss, why? How this particular idea came into your mind? You have to work on heart disease detection only.
Sir, the heart attack is the most common disease in the world nowadays. Because of that, we taken this topic.
Okay. Other disease are not common.
Yes, they are, but most of the people die because of heart attack only. We can predict, we can give suggestion to them to how to get speed.
Sir, as compared to other diseases, like as a disease is a common, like as a older people's, like as a which are greater than 15 or 55. Using this project, we can easily tell us okay, how many percent you has a disease. So he can or like as a pre-treatment.
Okay. So yes, your project selection is really good. Means you are building one app which will detect the heart disease. Means anyone who is just normal user, if he is going for a blood test, if he is having the cholesterol level and other uh, parameter value. So obviously, in home only he can understand ki, hey, I have a
Yes.
heart disease or not. But it's a good, but
Yes.
only one concern I want to tell you, please work on that, and in next time if you know those things, and please develop this particular product. It's a really amazing. Only one thing, you have to take care that on the which behalf you are going to select, hey, these are the important features, so please do activity of feature importance. So if you know the which particular feature is highly important for the prediction, then only you can consider it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sure.
Look
Yes,
for
sir.
the other
Thank you.
parameters also. Once it will be, you are able to understand, then yeah, it will work really on the ground.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. Sure.
So
Yes.
any doubt from your side?
No, sir. Sir, how can we integrate AI in this kind of project?
You have already integrated AI only.
No, sir. Like assistant type. If patient don't know about
For
what is cholesterol, how to put in.
Sorry, come up again.
for the sir, like as a for user help, like as a user don't know what is cholesterol level, what is like as a blood,
Right.
they'll don't understand the particular user.
So yes, for that obviously he have to go for the test. You have to do the blood test. Without blood test, if he is entering these value, obviously he will get suffer. Suppose I'm guessing ki my blood sugar level is this one, blood and cholesterol level is this one. I'm guessing and putting their data, and according to that, it is giving me, hey, you have a 90% heart disease. So I will be panic. So obviously we
Yes,
have to go
yes.
to the doctors and we have to take the test, and after taking the test only we can put this value. And yes, you have given me good idea ki we can integrate chatbot also here. So you can integrate it here. Chatbot, just like after getting, hey, I have a sugar. Suppose someone got a heart disease. Someone have a 80% heart disease. It is predicting it is a 80% heart disease. So next time, and the chat, there will, if there is a chatbot, he can query something like, hey, I have 80% heart disease. So what are the homeopathic, or you can say natural remedy, which I can do and I can cure myself, like that. You can query. So
Yes.
consider these two parameter. First, apply the feature importance, and second one is chatbot. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much. Yes, it's a really amazing project. Work on it and develop the product.
Yes, sir. Thanks.